Is the US dollar about to break out against the Canadian dollar, or is it hitting a wall? The USDCAD is at a critical crossroads, and today we're breaking down the key levels and market sentiment you need to watch. Right now, the overall feeling in the market is one of cautious consolidation. There isn't a strong consensus, creating a tense tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. This indecision is happening for a reason. The pair is squeezed between major technical levels and upcoming high-impact inflation data from both the US and Canada, which could be the catalyst for the next big move. Let's look at the case for the bulls. Fundamentally, renewed trade tensions and a flight to safety are providing some strength to the US dollar. On the charts, we're seeing some short-term bullish signals. One indicator, the Ichimoku cloud, has flashed a bullish crossover on the 30-minute chart, suggesting upward momentum is building. For buyers, the key area to watch is the resistance zone between 1.37 and 1.3770. A decisive break and close above this level could signal that the uptrend is ready to continue. If that happens, the next potential target for buyers would be higher, around the 1.3840 mark. Some traders are looking for buying opportunities on dips, targeting an entry around 1.3670. Now, let's flip the coin and look at the bearish argument. The primary reason for caution is that very same resistance zone around 1.37. This has been a tough ceiling to break. Sellers see this as a prime opportunity to enter the market, betting that the price will be rejected. Bearish pressure is expected to remain as long as the price stays below key long-term moving averages. If sellers do take control, a failure at this resistance could trigger a pullback, with initial support seen around 1.3550 and a stronger support level much lower, near 1.3420. So, what are the key takeaways? The USD-CAD is currently in a holding pattern, hovering around the 1.37 level. This is the main battleground. For buyers, a confirmed break above 1.3770 could open the door for a push towards 138 and beyond. For sellers, a rejection from the 1.37 resistance zone could signal a move back down to support at 135.50. The ultimate direction will likely be decided by the upcoming CPI inflation reports. The market is waiting for that fundamental push. So, watch these levels closely, be mindful of the news, and wait for confirmation before making your move.